Ballerina fairy time. Okay. We're gonna start with her face. Are you ready? Near the top, but not too high, okay? Do an oval. We're gonna draw her fairy crown. Okay, it's just 3 triangle spikes. Okay, 1, 2. Charlotte, watch first. 3. Okay. And then we're gonna do her hair. This is the front of her hair. She's got a little nose and a big smile. Okay, she is going to wear a ballerina dress. Okay, are you ready for the dress?
Yep.
It's a heart shape. But not connected on the bottom. Okay, leave it open. And then we'll do a triangle for the skirt. Like this. Alright, we're going to do the wavy line to connect the skirt. Not zigzag, okay, it's wavy. And then we are going to do the seam. A little trim around her skirt. So same wave as before. Okay, and now we're going to connect her head to her body. But we're going to do her neck. And then this is going to go to her shoulder to her arm. And then we're going to do a little hand. And then this is going to come back down to her body. Connects to the heart, okay? We'll do the same. You can do the same thing on the other side. Sure. And then do the hand. Okay? Alright, now we're going to do the little wand she's holding. And you're going to do a star. This one has 5 triangles on it. Okay? Okay, and then now we are going to draw her legs. So we got leg number 1. And leg number 2.
I did her knee right there.
Okay. Couple lines on her dress. Oh, you want to do the wings? Okay, so we're gonna add the wings to the fairy. Okay, well, we're gonna do the butterfly wing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're gonna start from her arm. Watch me do it first. Then we'll do the same one on top on the right. Watch first. Watch first. Okay, this one is. And the second one's a little bit smaller, and it's gonna go into a skirt. The other side. Okay, and then we can add a couple lines to the wing.
And we're gonna do a pattern to it too.
Sure. Let's do that little girl, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's do the face first. We'll do a circle. Not oval, a circle this time, okay? Try to do the best circle you can. Okay?
The best I can do.
We'll do her hair. With a little part in the middle. I'm gonna do 2 medium-sized ponytail, okay? I'm gonna do 1 here, 1 here. And then I'm gonna do...
One big ponytail.
Okay.
I'm silly, right?
We're gonna do her smiley face.
I'm gonna add something to the back after, okay?
I'm gonna do a little nose. And a smile. And she's gonna be waving. So I'm gonna draw her arm up. And then curve back down. Okay, it's not connected. Okay, it's open.
Sorry.
Yeah. And then down to the dress she's wearing. And the arm is here. And then we'll connect her dress, okay? And then we can do 2 simple legs.
Oh, I forgot to leave it open.
Oh, I forgot to give her some ears. I'm not sure you have room for ears. Maybe you don't have to do it on yours, okay?
I think I can do it.
Okay.
See? Just do it small.
I'm gonna have her hold a flower wand.
Mine is going to be really good. I'm going to do it really special. I like it. I like that drawing.
Okay, thank you. I think it's very nice.